Dear students, question is discuss the postulates of Dalton's atomic theory. Let us discuss the postulates. You know students, these days our science is advanced like anything. We are making spaceships. We are everybody is having a mobile phone, that is smartphone. We are having LED TVs. So all these are due to the advancement of the science. But if you look back to the 19th century, in the beginning of the 19th century, nothing was known about matter also, how matter consists of, what is matter, all these things. And at that time, scientists like Dalton, he put forward a very famous theory at that time that is known as Dalton's atomic theory. So, this theory was put forward in the year 1808. Dalton was a very famous English physicist and also a chemist. He has a lot of contributions in physics and chemistry. And according to his theory, all matter is made up of tiny, indivisible particles called atoms. Atom. He has coined the name atom. Why he used the name atom? Because in Greek, the word atom means indivisible. The thing which cannot be further subdivided is known as atomica. So from that word atomica, he coined the word atom, and he told all matter is made up of, or every matter is made up of what? Tiny means very very small, indivisible means cannot be further subdivided particles. Then the second one is all atoms of a specific element are identical in mass, size and other properties. That means of a specific element, that means if we take a particular element like hydrogen, oxygen or carbon or iron, and if we will check out all its atoms, then we will find all the atoms will have the same mass, same size, and they will similar in all respects, in all properties. Similarly, atoms of different elements, if we take atoms of two different elements, for example hydrogen and oxygen, or iron or carbon, if we take, they will exhibit different properties and vary in mass and size. That means their mass, size or other properties will be different. That means they will differ in all respects. Then the fourth postulate is atoms can neither be created nor destroyed. That means we can't create an atom or we can't destroy also an atom. Furthermore, atoms cannot be divided into smaller particles. That means we can't further subdivide a particle. This already we have discussed in the first postulate. Then the fifth one is atoms of different elements can combine with each other in fixed whole number ratios in order to form compounds. This postulate says how a compound is getting formed. Compounds like water, carbon dioxide, sulfuric acid, etc. How they are formed? By the combination of atoms of different elements. But the ratio in which they combine, that is always fixed. That means what? For example, hydrogen and oxygen always combine in ratio 2:1. Carbon dioxide, carbon and oxygen always combine in the ratio 1:2. Sulfuric acid, for example, sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid is what? H2SO4. That means hydrogen, sulfur and oxygen always combine in the ratio 2:1:4. Then the last postulate says how a chemical reaction takes place. Now a chemical reaction takes place by the rearrangement of atoms or combination of atoms or separation of atoms. That means atoms can rearrange, combine with each other or separate to give a chemical reaction. So these are the important postulates of Dalton's atomic theory. Hope you understood. Thank you.